Troubleshooting laundry tub faucet, water flow and leaking issues, cartridge removal and cleaning. Step 1. Close both hot and cold water supply lines at the outlet shutoff valves. Important. Make sure all water is drained from faucet before proceeding. Step 2. Plug drain so loosened parts cannot fall into drain. Step 3. Carefully loosen the handle screw. Step 4. Remove handle by pulling up. Step 5. Loosen and remove plastic cartridge ring by turning counterclockwise. Note: using channel lock pliers if necessary. Caution: this next step involves a small spring. Please watch before proceeding. Step 6. Gently pull to remove cartridge cylinder from faucet base. Caution: there is a small spring and black plastic cap installed under the cartridge cylinder, so keep open cartridge housing covered while cartridge cylinder is removed. Note: gently wiggle cartridge cylinder stem back and forth to remove. Caution: small spring and black plastic cap. Step 7. Using a damp lint-free cloth, wipe the outer surface of the cartridge cylinder and the inner surface of the cartridge housing, removing any debris. In case the spring and cap are removed, replace spring and then black plastic cap if they have been removed from original location at bottom of cartridge housing. Step 8. Reinstall cartridge cylinder into cartridge housing, making sure flat side of stem faces away from the faucet spout. Step 9. Reinstall plastic cartridge ring by turning clockwise, using channel locks. Tighten until snug, do not over-tighten. Note: over-tightening can cause internal damage. Using channel lock pliers if necessary, do not over-tighten. Note: a cloth can help prevent scratching faucet. Step 10. Reinstall faucet handle. Turn handle to off position. Repeat the same steps for the other side. Step 11. Turn water supply back on and check for leaks. Great job, you did it!